Welcome to Evolving Foods, and today we are going to ask ourselves the famous pizza question. You know what that is? Pizza Bianca or pizza rosa? And I think the way we're going to answer it today is pizza Bianca, right? White pizza. And the way we're going to do that is not just any ordinary way, because today on Evolving Foods we are going to teach you a really cool and creative way to make a pizza Bianca, and this is going to be Sicilian style. So why don't you come on and step into my kitchen and see how it's done. This is our dough. It's been rested, it's kneaded, and it has risen 3 times. It's important that we allow this dough to rise 3 times. Okay? We're gonna start with our white sauce, which is a bechamel. This is a classic bechamel. The only thing I did not do was strain the minced onions out of it because I feel like it adds texture to this pizza. If you're looking for a recipe for bechamel, we will have a segment posted about how to make bechamel. If not, you can look up any classic recipe and you can use it. Next ingredient going on our pizza, very fine shredded mozzarella, okay? Now we're not putting a lot on, okay? If you can see, we're putting a very thin layer over the bechamel. Pecorino Romano, okay? Grated. And we're gonna spread a nice even layer of pecorino over the top of this pizza. Okay, next, we're just putting some dry herbs of Provence over the top. So basically, if you have an Italian herb mix, that's fine. But it's nice to have these dry herbs. So we're just gonna sprinkle some dry herbs right over the top. We're gonna take some really nice virgin olive oil, and we're gonna drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on top of the pizza. Okay, and then we're gonna drizzle some white truffle oil on top of the pizza. Pizza is ready to go into the oven. A preheated 400-degree oven that we're gonna put this pizza right in. We put the pizza in. Let's set this timer for exactly 17 minutes. Okay, so our pizza Bianca has been in the oven for 17 minutes, cooking, finishing. It smells amazing in here. We are about to finish this pizza Bianca like you've never seen before. We're gonna start by removing the pizza from the pan. We're gonna make 2 horizontal cuts straight across. Three perpendicular cuts, made straight. 12 cuts out of this particular pie, or we shall call it a square. We're going to transfer these cuts back into our baking pan because it looks so cool to serve out of this pan. The first thing that we are going to put on top of this pizza, it's going to sound crazy, but yes, we are using wildflower honey. And we're gonna drizzle it all over the top of the pizza, okay? So follow me. Up against the pecorino. And it's also gonna work really well with the truffle that we put in there. Fresh ground black pepper. If anyone knows me, I love pistachios. We're gonna add some texture to go along with this honey and this very herbaceous type of Bianca pizza that we made by putting some crushed pistachios right over the top. We took our pizza Bianca to another level, didn't we, right? Because we couldn't just make it in an ordinary shape, no, so we made it into a square. We didn't make slices, we made cuts, all right? So we're already on a unique level right now. We didn't finish it with traditional toppings, did we, right? We finished it with local honey, we finished it with crushed pistachio, fresh ground black pepper, And if you can smell the truffle oil that's in this, it is amazing. Pizza Bianca. Not hard to make. 17 minutes in the oven, so you can make this for your family. There is no excuse, but I want to thank you for being with me today on Evolving Foods. My name is Chef Vinny, and happy cooking and even happier eating. We'll see you next time.